Whenever you want to work with any technology, the most important thing is that you need to understand about the Linux technology. Now, just for our normal use, for our general use, we are using our Windows 10 machine. Now in this video, I'll be telling you how you can use your Linux machine on the top of Windows machine itself. So it is just like a setting that you need to enable it on your Windows 10. So starting from your Windows 10, you don't need to use additional software like VMware and then install this Ubuntu and then you will run your commands related to the Linux. No need to do all those things. Now starting from Windows 10 machine, if you have 64-bit operating system, usually all the people will have 64-bit only, so that's not a problem. So for this Windows 10 machine, you have a inbuilt software is there. You just need to enable that, and by enabling that software you can use your Ubuntu. Now I'm going to show you how to use this and how to enable this Ubuntu in your Windows 10 machine. The screen that you can see on my desktop over here, this is a Windows 10 machine. What you need to do, just click on the type here to search. You need to click on the search, then search with the settings. So just search with the settings here. I have selected the settings. Now you need to click on the apps and feature. I'm here. Then you need to click on programs and feature, which is on the right hand side. All right, once it is there, then you can see on the left hand side there is an option called Windows feature on or off. So there are some of the features which are already enabled, but there are some features you need to enable from your side. I am just scrolling it down, and here you can see there is something called Windows Subsystem for Linux. In your Windows 10, this option will be disabled. You need to enable this. So you can see that the checkbox is already checked in my system. Just click on OK. This option needs to be checked. Okay, so this right symbol should be there. If it is not there, you need to enable that. Click on OK. Once you do that, you need to restart your machine. Okay, you need to restart your machine. I have already restarted my machine, that is why I'm not getting the pop-up, but you'll get the pop-up to restart your machine. All right, then what you need to do, you need to go there and search there with the Microsoft Store. Click on the Microsoft Store. All right, let me close this from my side because I was already there. Let me do it one more time. I'm clicking on the Microsoft Store, and then there you need to search with the Linux. Click on search and then find Linux. Click on enter. You will see a lot of other favors are there which are related to Linux, like Ubuntu, Kali Linux, Ubuntu. This is the LTS version. There are multiple Linux are there, and future you will find a lot of other versions are also. I am more interested for the Ubuntu, so I am just double clicking on it. Once you double click on it, it will ask you to install the Linux. Right now I can directly see the option called install because the installation I have already done it. You just need to click on the install. Now let me do that one more time. Basically you need to just download like your other softwares, and I have done that already. Once you are there, you can see, or you can directly search with the Ubuntu. It will ask you to create one user. So let me create my own user with Ankush, and the password I'm putting the same password right now. Done. I have created the user with the Ankush username, and I can see that who am I. Right now I'm connected with the Ankush user. If I want to switch with the root user, I can do. All right, I'm not sure what is the password of root user, so this thing I need to figure out. Okay, so what I will do, guys, I will let you know the default password of this root, but meantime you can also do the practice with the help of this your normal user, and you can see the root password in the description section. I will update it. Okay, I didn't check that, but I will update it. If you think that this video is really helpful, please do like, subscribe and share this channel. If you don't like, then also please do like, subscribe and share this channel. Thank you. Bye bye.